Hello bushwhackers and wild campers, I hope you're all well. Last night I was trying out a hammock by Wise Owl Outfitters. And this is it. It's got my sleeping bag and stuff in it. It's a double hammock. I'll put the sizes and stuff on the screen. Standard parachute material, 3 pieces, as in there's 2 side pieces and then a big belly piece. It's all well made. I think I paid about 25 quid for this. I think they're currently rushing at about 32. But yeah, it's all well made, all well stitched, all triple stitched as you can see. Comes with a couple of strong carabiners, one on either end, and these tree straps. Can't remember how many loops there are on the straps. Again, I'll put that on the screen, but they're all well made, triple stitched. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops. Yeah, I mean, I've got to admit, I do prefer tree straps with more loops on, just that you've got a bit more flexibility with that in terms of how you do those, how you position it. But I slept like a log in this last night. Really like it. It hangs really well. And I've had a couple of hammocks where, well, one in particular, where it kind of gathered in the middle and it wasn't comfortable at all. But this, not like that at all. It hangs really nicely. As I say, strong webbing on either side. This doesn't really fall into the budget hammocks that I've reviewed. There's no net on it, as you can see, but this time of year, it's autumn now. I think you can probably tell that by the leaves on the ground. But yeah, as I say, I like this. It all fits in this nice little bag, packs down really small. I'll pack it down a bit in a bit and show you. Good hammock. There we go. Everything's out of the hammock now. Let's get it collapsed and into the bag, show you how easy it is. What you do is you take the 2 carabiner ends and drop them in the little bag. And then just stuff the rest in. Gotta admit, I do love how tiny these things pack down. I don't even bother coiling these. And that's it. That is tiny. That's my hand. Look how small that pack is. How cool is that? So that's the Wise Owl Outfitters double hammock. If you've enjoyed this, you know what to do with all the liking, subscribing, that kind of stuff. And let me know in the comments if you've got any hammocks you recommend. Don't recommend DD ones to me. Not a fan. But if you've got any other sort of like types of hammocks that maybe you want me to try out, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.